You can tell it's nearly 1 o'clock, look. The amount of people are waiting to get in, all arriving, look. It was a bit like this yesterday, except there was one bloke in a caravan that was parked halfway across the road, wasn't there?
Yes.
Right, this is how far the train station is from the campsite.
Yeah.
It's literally
Less than a minute.
Minuet running. GWSR.
Great Western Steam Railway.
STEM.
STEM?
STEM.
STEM.
You've never seen the Sand Pebbles movie with
Never heard of it.
Steve McQueen,
Oh.
and he's teaching her, well, it's Japanese or whatever he is, and he's explaining about the ship. He's on a ship and he's the engineer on the ship, and he's teaching this bloke about steam, you know, and how steam works the engines.
Right.
But he couldn't say steam, he kept saying stim. And then he undid a tap and water came out and he went, Kolstim. Ah, cold. Nice houses up here. Probably not going to be able to get onto the platform, which will be a shame, because it only works weekends. So I'll have I was really hoping to get a bit of a. I do like an old railway, train railway station. Signal box over there. Let's keep going around.
Yeah,
Looks like they're doing work here.
Yeah. Today's Monday, so there's no trains running.
No trains today. So you got the old proper cafe look. Oh wow. How nice.
We don't get that on many platforms.
No. Right. I know. It's a shame, but never mind. Yeah, we did know.
Oh. Place, Dave.
It is, isn't it? It's the old station house, Sue.
Yeah.
Oh, look here. Oh, we can get on.
Oh, brilliant.
Oh, look at that.
Proper
The old
ladies
boxes.
room.
Toilets.
These have always been the staple of any old
Yes.
railway, haven't they? But
Yeah.
I don't know why.
No idea. I suppose the drips run down and drip on you.
But why the round hole?
I've no idea.
Everybody knows them, associates them with stations.
Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Hmm.
Look at the lights.
Yeah.
Ladies' room, gentlemen. Booking office and refreshments. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Love it. Definitely want to come back here and have a go on the train, Sue.
Yes.
Do you know, I thought that says passengers are requested to wear Crocs.
How does your brain work?
I don't know. It just saw that and I thought, do you know, that look like Crocs? Obviously wasn't taking a lot of notice. I thought, why would the one have to wear Crocs? Oh look, these are proper ones. They've got the ladder
Yes.
things at the side.
Yeah, if we're going up and lighting gas.
Who's gas? Are they gas ones or are they light bulb? The lamps. It's a shame if they have. Yeah, they have been converted.
Yes.
They're electric.
The proper finials and everything.
Yeah, I'd want one. I like one of those. If anybody's got one.
Yeah.
Not with. I want to do it gas.
Yeah, we want an old gas one.
I do.
I don't mind sort of what state it's in so much.
No.
As long as we're
It's
able
cheap.
to. Yes, cheap. As long as we're able to fix it.
Yes.
Anything past fixing, we're not interested in.
We can fix pretty much anything.